Hi, today we're going to paint this cute heart. I think it's listed as big heart on the website. So I just started out with some honky tonk red. That's a Dixie Belle color. It's a really bright, fun red. I like to use it for Christmas too. And I painted the whole heart with a 1-inch foam brush. And I also use the foam brush to go around the sides of the heart just to give it a good coat. And then I'll let it dry for a little bit. Okay, so now it's been drying for a little bit, and I'm going to put swirls on this. I used a small, maybe number 4 round brush, and I made sure that my white paint was really thinned out. The smoother it is, the more liquid it is, the better it will paint onto your well, whatever you're painting. So for a swirl, I always tell people to anchor their arms, like put your elbow down somewhere or against you, and follow through. Once you start, don't stop. Just keep going all the way through. Otherwise, you're going to get those little brush marks where you start and stop what you're doing. And it doesn't matter if they're different levels. If you do one heavy on one side, do one heavy on the other side, and vice versa. Just even it out, because the eye is going to see a perfect little design. They aren't going to see all of the imperfections that you and I see. If you happen to put a little drip like I did right there, I just turned it into a swirl. So another thing that I like to do with the swirls is if you go one direction, go the other direction. So if I swirl this way, then I'm going to swirl that way. And that also will even it out. I like the fact that I just came in on one side here. It looks pretty cool like that. I like that. So I think I'm going to stop right there. And this is a heart with swirls.